Hello, fellow translators. So this is something annoying. I wanted to do a video on the Sales Navigator add-on for Gmail, and it says here that in mid-March 2020, Sales Navigator for Gmail will be sunset, which I assume means they'll stop. Prepare for this sunset. Please review the resources below. And so I assume this means they'll stop using it, which really sucks because this was actually a really cool thing. And I can't tell from this what they're going to be doing with it. So I guess this video has changed, and my question to you is if you know another program that does this, if anyone does. So here, let me show you briefly what Sales Navigator is or was. Basically, if you receive an email from someone, this thing would pop up to the side, which would show you who was sending the email. Like if they have a LinkedIn, it will link to their LinkedIn, or Twitter, or phone number, anything that's kind of publicly available. It scoured the web and found it for you. And so it was right there. And this really helped for random people, contacting me if they wanted a translation or this, that, and the other. I could right away see who they are thanks to this. And I really liked it. And so that's why I was going to do this video about it. But I guess they're getting rid of it. So if you guys know of anything else that does this, that works with Gmail or any other email platform, please do let me know because I'd be interested in getting it. And look, and this was free, by the way. Sales Navigator was free. And in fact, they're getting rid of it. They're not even saying like that they'll have a paid version or anything because I might actually pay money for that. But no, they're just getting rid of it, so that's too bad. So yeah, if you guys have any information as to where I can find something similar to that, please do let me know because I'm in the market right now. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's ruined the idea for my video. I was going to go through it anyway, but it's really useless for me to go through it at this point because they're getting rid of it, and well, that sucks. Anyway, okay, so that's pretty much it. Please do let me know if you know of any other program that works this way because I really did like this, and I would like to find something else. Thank you. Bye. Savedum.